Direct replacement. This vapor canister vent solenoid fits and performs like original equipment with simple plug-and-play installation. Quality construction. Manufactured from premium materials for a long service life. Excellent value. Original equipment function at a lower price. Quality tested. Has undergone simulation and endurance testing to ensure proper fit and performance. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. A malfunctioning vapor canister vent solenoid can cause the engine light to come on. This vapor canister vent solenoid is engineered of quality materials for durability to ensure proper operation of the vehicle's evaporative emission system. This part is compatible with the following vehicles. Before purchasing, enter your vehicle trim in the garage tool to confirm fitment. Top reviews from the United States. Great value. Replaced due to check engine light code. Just make sure the canister hoses clip in tight. At first the code came back. I had not clipped the canister hoses in secure. Once connected, the light stayed off. Passed emissions and I am very satisfied. Rate value.